Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews. First, are you looking for the top 5 best air fryers in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best air fryers in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Ninja Air Fryer 4QD Capacity is a versatile kitchen essential designed to make healthy cooking fast and effortless. With its 4-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate your favorite meals using little to no oil, helping you enjoy crispy results with fewer calories. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for small families or quick meals, allowing you to prepare fries, chicken, vegetables, or snacks in one go. Built for convenience, this air fryer features dishwasher-safe parts, making cleanup quick and stress-free. Its powerful performance ensures even cooking and consistent texture every time. The unit also includes 20 easy and healthy recipes, giving you plenty of inspiration to get started right away. Compact yet powerful, the Ninja Air Fryer combines modern design, efficiency, and healthy cooking into one reliable appliance, ideal for everyday use in any kitchen. Number 2. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QD ClearCook Air Fryer brings convenience, performance, and visibility together in one powerful kitchen appliance. Designed with innovative ClearCook windows and an internal light, it lets you monitor your food without opening the basket, ensuring perfect results every time. With 6-in-1 functionality, this air fryer can air fry, broil, roast, bake, dehydrate, and reheat, making it a versatile solution for everyday cooking. Custom program options simplify meal preparation, while Even Crisp technology delivers crispy, golden textures using little to no oil. The spacious 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or meal prepping, handling everything from fries and chicken wings to vegetables and desserts. Easy-to-use digital controls, fast preheating, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. Whether you're cooking quick snacks or full meals, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus helps you achieve delicious, healthier results with speed and confidence. Number 3. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT delivers fast, flavorful cooking with precise control for everyday meals. Powered by advanced airflow and accurate temperature regulation, it heats evenly from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in moisture while creating crispy, golden textures. The premium ceramic-coated basket is naturally non-stick, durable, and easy to clean, making healthier cooking simple. With 9 versatile functions, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, and more, you can prepare snacks, family dinners, and meal prep favorites effortlessly. The spacious 6-quart capacity fits generous portions, while intuitive controls ensure consistent, repeatable results. TurboBlaze technology boosts speed without sacrificing taste, helping you cook smarter, faster, and with less oil. Whether reheating, dehydrating, or baking, this air fryer delivers reliable performance and modern style for today's kitchen. Quiet operation and thoughtful safety features make it ideal for busy households, delivering confidence, convenience, and delicious results every time. All year round with dependable quality and trusted Cosori innovation you can trust daily. Always. Number 4. Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone 2-basket air fryer transforms everyday cooking with speed, capacity, and precision. Its 2 independent frying baskets let you cook different foods at different temperatures and times, eliminating compromises and saving time. With Match Cook, duplicate settings across both baskets for big batches, while Smart Finish synchronizes cooking so everything is ready together. The powerful air circulation delivers crispy, golden results with little to no oil. 6 versatile functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Replace multiple appliances and expand your menu options. The generous 8-quart capacity easily handles family meals, from wings and fries to vegetables and desserts. Intuitive digital controls make operation simple, and dishwasher safe baskets and crisper plates ensure quick cleanup. Whether you're meal prepping, feeding a crowd, or cooking weeknight dinners, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi DualZone air fryer offers convenience, consistency, and healthier results without sacrificing flavor. It fits modern kitchens and supports busy lifestyles with reliable performance daily consistently. Number 5. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja Air Fryer 8 Cutie DoubleStack 2 basket, designed to save space while delivering maximum cooking power. Its innovative double-stack design lets you cook 2 different meals at once, perfect for busy households. With a generous 8-quart capacity, it can easily handle 2 lb of chicken wings or meals that feed up to 6 people, making family dinners effortless. This versatile 6-in-1 air fryer goes beyond frying, **** roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, **** with one convenient appliance. Enjoy crispy, golden results using little to no oil, making healthier meals without compromising flavor. Its space-saving design fits neatly on your countertop while offering double cooking power. Whether you're meal prepping, entertaining guests, or simply craving a quick snack, the Ninja Air Fryer delivers consistent, delicious results every time. Transform your cooking routine and enjoy effortless, flavorful meals with this all-in-one kitchen essential. Perfect for families, busy professionals, and anyone who loves quick, healthy cooking.